Hello and welcome. I am so excited to be here today to introduce you to my latest listing. This beautiful boutique condo rises 7 stories above King Street East and is steps from some of Toronto's hottest neighborhoods, including Leslieville, Canary District, and the Distillery District. My name is David Elliott with Keller Williams Referred Urban Realty, and welcome to Corktown District Condos. This perfectly laid out 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom loft space has stunning 10-foot ceilings, polished concrete floors, marble counters, and stainless steel appliances. Having floor-to-ceiling windows allowing tons of natural light to enter the unit, as well as an oversized outdoor space, you'll never want to leave home. There you have it. If you're interested in booking a private tour or you have any questions at all, reach out to me anytime. 416-931-4558. Make today a great day.